Today, I'll guide you through the process of accessing your Esmart Tax account. Let's dive in, shall we? To begin, open your preferred web browser and enter Esmart Tax Login into the search bar. Among the various links that appear, choose the one associated with libertytax.com and proceed to click on it. This will redirect you to the official Liberty Tax website, where you can initiate the login process. Scroll down the page, and you'll encounter different subscription plans, including Basic, Deluxe, and Premium. Identify and click on the specific plan you wish to log in for. For instance, I've chosen the Premium option. This action will lead you to the account creation page. On this page, locate the Sign In option and click on it. You will then be directed to the Login page. It's worth noting that Esmart Tax is a product of Liberty Tax, which is known for both its in-person services and online filing software. If you've chosen to log in, enter your username and password in the designated fields. In case you encounter any issues during the login process, simply click on the Need Help Signing In option to resolve the problem. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Sign In option, and voila! You have successfully accessed your Esmart Tax account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can click on Sign Up Now to register. And that concludes our walkthrough. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for tuning in.